People have been asking me about this just verbally and on Ask Tom, etc. Yes, 18 software on-premise is coming. It's not far away. The rumor mill tells me it's sort of middle of the year. That's all I get to learn inside the great Oracle machine. So we're probably maybe looking at somewhere around July, August, etc. That's just a guess on my part, but it's not far away. And while that's more just a case of, well, that's just like every other release of software that comes out. It comes out eventually and I can download it. This is the big one. At OddTug, someone took a picture of this slide for me from the ODTug conference at Kscope 18. Along with 18C on-premise is coming an 18C XE, Express Edition, free database. And unlike previous versions of the database, like the Express Edition, where we had limitations on resource capacity, but also strict limitations on functionality, it was like a half cut down version of Standard Edition. 18C XE, yes, it has the same restrictions in terms of how big a machine you can run it on and how much memory and disk you can use. But other than that, it's pretty much got a lot of features that you would expect in Enterprise Edition. In fact, if you're scrolling through that list there, you might be thinking, well, that pretty much looks like everything in Enterprise Edition. And you'd be right. The mindset here is that 18C XE will pretty much be a complete Enterprise Edition version of the database, pretty much to as much as we can make it available to you guys. That means you get things like multi-tenant, you get in-memory, you get partitioning, you get graph and spatial, you get text indexes, you get all the stuff that's in Enterprise Edition in this 100% production usable, free database. That sounds awesome. I'm super pumped about this. But the cool thing is that it changes the whole game in terms of what you can do as a developer or a DBA. The concept now of every single developer in your organization, every single DBA in your organization, having a free database on their own PC, their own machine, without having to have VirtualBox or stuff like that, something they can just crank out in a Docker VM super fast. And think about the opportunities that might be coming up here in terms of, I could have a developer, I could work in isolation, just like I would with all the other tools. Like I can code in isolation, I can build all my database objects now in isolation, check the scripts into source code control, and then merge that in like I would a normal developer kind of paradigm, and check it into like a central development database. The concept of, we can all have to share just one database now because of licensing restrictions or server restrictions or capacity, whatever, pretty much had gone out the window once 18C XE comes along. You will be able to do, every single developer has a database at home, at work, one day on their phone maybe. It'll be amazing. So I'm super excited about 18C XE, so keep your eyes open for that. It's, just a couple of months, maybe 1, 2, 3 months away. It's coming pretty soon.